What's up, guys? So, going to give you a quick overview of the Alertsify signal feature. Here, you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, I have my Robinhood connected from my phone. Just scrolling here on my phone, right? If I swipe this, it's a live feed and everything. You can see all that options and all this stuff. Here is Discord. Here is Alertsify. So, if I take this alert and I right-click on it and I go to Apps, the Alertsify Signal app will come up and you can click trade this signal. The signal will think, it will read the alert and give it a second, right? It formats the alert for you. It uses your position size as well. So I have a $250 position size set here, and it uses as much as it can up to up to the limit. So a contract is $126. So I can get one contract right now. So if I hit execute, it will send the order. And as you can see, there you go. It just got filled into my Robinhood and it shows up on Alertsify as well. Easy as that. So now if I want to sell, I can either wait for him to get or sell the contract and post in here, or I can manage it myself on Alertsify. And I could just hit sell to close. And as you can see here, it sells the order. Now we have a pending order and it just got executed right there. So super, super easy, makes trading extremely easy, and following others is just seamless.